Now watch everybody, he's like a surgeon. Graceful like a ballerina. Okay, watch the man at work. Here we go. Let me hold this, you got this. Would come out?
Oh yeah, this is GM.
Yes, it is. Yes, it's a GM.
And they got the clip in there that holds it in there.
Oh. Well, can we not just hold this up and do it?
Yeah. I don't know if I'm taking the window out, but...
Alright, let me... What do you want me to do? Get duct tape or something? Haha! Tom is victorious. Let's move some tools out of his way. See? Here we go. Monster is not a sponsor of the show.
You just had to, right?
I was sitting there. It would be funny. Is it the same bracket?
No.
It's not. On the other side? I guess not, because it's not. You might not need it. I'm not. I don't know.
Pop out those rivets there.
Throw those out. Now this might work. Of course, things can't be easy. One of the rivets now gets replaced by a bolt, and we can't get to it. So it's causing technical difficulties. Here, we're going to run around Tom. There we go. Oh, it doesn't matter. Is it going to clear it all? I'm guessing these power windows don't have memories or anything.
No.
You know what I mean? Like,
Oh, that's better.
is that better?
I think so.
All right. Okay, we're gonna keep messing around, and we're gonna let Tom get this assembled, and we'll bring you back. All right, young Tom's winning. Look at that. Instead of crappy old rivets, let's just hope this new motor works right. So what you guys didn't see, because we didn't bore you with the details, Tom was here a little over a week ago, and we went through the truck, and we went through all the electronics on the door. We did door locks, we did power windows, and we discovered that this power window would make noise, click, 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 but it wasn't moving. So I splurged. I spent 40 bucks. Woo-wee! On a Chinese made power window motor. You know, spare no expense. So we're gonna finish assembling this, then we're gonna throw it back in the truck and cross our fingers that works. Okay, look, we're winning. We've got a window with a regulator. All right, we're making some progress. Tom's hands are gooey, so he's cleaning them off. What's our plan now? Plug it in, try it?
Put the switch in, buddy.
Put the switch in. Okay, I'm gonna go on the other side, put the switch in. Tom will plug this side in, and we'll see if it works. See if victory is ours. We're peeking over Tom's
that was the
shoulder.
door locks.
Okay. Okay, that's the door lock button that's not working.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Let me come around here. Hang on. This is exciting. this works, we're gonna put door panels on, and then with the exception of one power door lock button, we'll be ready. Okay, ignition on. Go ahead, Tom, you have the honors. Oh, hot diggity. Look at that. Sweet. I'm gonna try it from this side. This is a button. Look at that, winning. Right? It's the little victories that count. Okay, does this side still work? Oh yeah. This one's not as fast anymore. Sorry, Tom, we gotta take it apart and switch them.
Hey, that's okay.
Wicked. Okay, that's a huge victory. Now, we're gonna put all this crap back together and assemble some door panels. Zip it. Tom's gonna put that foam insulation on. What we're gonna do is pop these broken old tabs up. Well, this one's actually not broken. I have 2 that survived. 3. Holy hot diggity. There's not much meat left on it. We have new ones. Where did I put those? Oh, right here. Okay, so we're gonna change those. Get this door panel on. Okay, so over here on the driver's side, Tom's over there messing with the wiring. I started doing this side. I don't know what I'm going to do to keep my switch in place. It doesn't want to, it keeps wanting to pop out. Anyways, we'll come to that after. So I can put my tabs in this, but on the door, as you can see, all my tabs are busted. So I'm going to take a minute, pop all those tabs off, put new ones on here, see if we can assemble this bad boy. Well, it's the next day. Last night, our good friend Tom got a phone call, had to run, but he was good enough to hook us up and get our passenger door panel on, which is awesome. The bad news is, God bless his soul, he forgot to put the bracket on that attaches to the door. So, we're grateful, Tom. Thank you. And we're going to fix the little hiccup. So we're going to yank this door panel off again, put it back on, and finish reinstalling. You know what? Let's go check the driver. Finish reinstalling the driver one. I didn't finish the driver one yesterday because I need to put some glue in on a piece. And I used, of course, the completely wrong glue, but it seems to be holding. So I am going to, let's see if we can snap this door and get this put together. I'm pretty sure I broke more of my new clips than getting them installed, especially this top one. I don't know why I couldn't get it. Anyways, still works. Let's see if we can, let's plug this in, shall we? Is that it? Is this it? How do we plug this in? Hang on, I'm gonna stitch up here. Maybe you can see better from here. You can't. Okay. I swear to God, I have no idea what I'm doing today. Let's see. Okay, that goes in like that. Tucks it up like so. Oh, look at that. Oh, this broke. Come on. That's disappointing. Do I have anything there that I can mount to? We might have to redneck this. I think we are going to. All right. Anyways, let me get this. I gotta find my armrest. I'm gonna find the armrest, see if we can screw that on, And then I'm going to do the wrong thing and put a screw in there to hold that. And I'm going to call this side a victory. So I don't think I've completed that door, but I've got it together. The armrest itself, like this, is a debauchery. So we're going to call it good, pretend it was never, rip it off 17 times and deal with it later. But now we're going to try to pop the tabs out of this and hopefully not break them all. Here we go. Okay, we might win. Let's see. Put this bracket back on. Oops. Oh, we're in the right direction. Sweet. Come on, wiggle in. There. Sweet. Let's go. You got it. Line them up. Okay. Oh. Can't seem to get it in the hole. Dang it. Sweet. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna set that down there. And pop this tab out. Did I lose any other one? Yep, right there. Okay, come on. There we go. Not sure if I can save them, but I do have another one. Do I have one or two? Oh, sweet. We've got two new ones. Let's see if we can make this pan out. Okay. Let's go down here. This is an important one. Oh, there we go. All right, let me get these put together. All right, after all that gracefulness, we're gonna slide this bad boy up into its home. Make sure our wires come out. Okay. Well, that side's broken too. Perfect. It'll match the other side. Oh, there we go. Did I get that? Find the hole. There we go. There we go. Let's see if we can do that over here. That's fine. Okay. Let's go there. Where's my... There we go. And this one. Oh. Yeah, potato, man. These old panels are not... Oh, there's a big gap. Why do I have a big gap there? Why do I have a big gap in there? Oh, right there. can feel it. Yeah, that didn't work. Oh, whatever. Put this on. Let's snap this bad boy into its home. This is gonna stick out. We're gonna put a screw in that like we did the other side. Screw that in. Boom. That is what we're gonna call the worst victory I've ever done. I'm going to try to find patience at some point later, guys, and I'll fix that up. This is probably the least stimulating video ever, but it needed to be done. The good news is that contributes to... Oh, look at that. I wonder why. I don't even have that latched in right. Ah, we're not done. We're not done. All right, let me mess this up. They're not perfect. I've got some fine adjustments to do. I don't have a plan yet to make that better. And the other side is even worse. But as far as this particular project goes, I have power windows that work, power locks that work. -1 switch, but it is what it is. Guys, I am, as unexciting and as trivial as this particular video is, this is real world. This is what the stuff you got to do in order to try to make progress and get your projects done. Once I sort that little bit out, I call the interior done. I mean, functional and ready for the next step. So wicked. Guys, I hope, and gals, I keep forgetting that. I don't know why. Guys and gals, grateful for everything. I hope you all have a great day. Cheers.